ready to level up your Nintendo Switch experience and unlock a world of online fun. Today, we're diving into how to create a Nintendo account and link it to your Nintendo Switch. Step by easy step. First, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the System Settings icon. On the home screen, it looks like a little gear. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down to the Users section and select the user profile you want to link to your new Nintendo account. Now, select Link Nintendo Account. If you already have an account, you can sign in here, but since we're creating a new one, choose Create Account. You'll have to options create an account using your Nintendo Network ID if you have a Wii U or 3DS, or create a new account. Let's go with create a new account. Select that option, then choose whether you are 16 years old or older, or 15 years old or younger. Keep in mind that parental controls will be in place for younger accounts. Next, you'll be directed to a website on your computer or smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address, create a password, and fill out the required information. Be sure to verify your email address when prompted. Once you've completed the online registration and verified your email, return to your Nintendo Switch. It should automatically detect your new account and link it to your user profile. You should see a confirmation message saying link successful, and there you have it. You are now ready to access the eShop, play online with friends, and enjoy all the benefits of a linked Nintendo account.